Hey guys, Blood Groove here. Welcome back to the channel. We have once again another unboxing. Let's see what we've got today. What is it? Actually, two items in here, so let's see. All right, they're both in here. Let's see here. Which one do we want to do first? Okay, we're going to go with this one first. Look at that. A Victorinox Swiss Army. Guess I'm going to have to open it up here. Well, this is actually a gift for someone, so I guess I'll just got to do a quality control check though, right? There we go. That's a nice and clean opening. All right, look, it includes a battery. Why does it include a battery? Strange. Let's see. Oh, look at that. It's a Victorinox Swiss Army MiniChamp. And it's got the sapphire blue scales. Rather than opening that up, let me just show you what we have. Oh, I already put that away. Forget that. I guess we'll open this one up. So it's got the file with the fingernail cleaner. Has the small blade. Has the orange peel blister pack opener. Orange peeler. Has the ruler and the screwdriver tip you could use on Phillips screwdrivers or regular. Has the cuticle pusher and just a little bit of there's a little bit of a curve there. I guess I could make a joke about it, but I'm not going to. But some guys used to keep their fingernails long for this kind of thing. I guess you could use to taste sugar. There you go. You could use it for tasting sugar. For those sugar connoisseurs out there. And it has the large blade. The Phillips screwdriver, wire stripper, bottle opener. And scissors. And then right here, let's see if I can get it, push in. There we go. It's got a pin, a ballpoint pin. Of course, it's got the key ring attachment. And I guess you push there. I don't know how it works. And it has a light. I don't know. Is there a battery in there already, or that was a spare? No, there's no battery in there. But you push down, and you got a light right there. An little LED light. So I think these MiniChamps offer the most functions available. For the dollar value and for the size as well, compared to say the Tinkers or the larger sizes. I really like them. I've got one myself, but in red, and I've got I gave one each to my siblings, and this is for a co-worker friend who who I'm always showing my knives off to. So I thought, you know, let me get something for him. It'd be nice. He makes a little less money than I do. And I thought it'd be a nice little Christmas gift for him. Now let's see, what's this other thing we've got? Put this away here. Oh boy, look at that. We got ourselves a Spyderco. Well, this isn't a gift. Well, yeah, I guess it is. It's a gift to me. Let's see. Oh, got some patterning on it. What's that about? Little Spyderco sticker. And so I came across this when I was on, who did I get this from? DLT's website. I think this is a DLT exclusive. And it is called the Dragonfly Tattoo. So you got a dragonfly etched in there with some reeds here. So pretty neat. A little grainy. Let's see, where's my cloth? There we go. First time using my new polishing cloth. Well, there's a bunch of oil on this. Don't know if I want to use my cloth for all that oil and get it all oiled up. Let's see. So this is titanium. Oh, okay. We got a little sleeve covering it so it won't get messed up. Okay. Still. So this is titanium. Again, it's got etching in there. I don't know if you can see how deep that etching is. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's pretty deep. And it just caught my eye. There's a certain Asian flair to that. You've got blue reeds with kind of like a reddish color there. Dragonfly has got red and yellow or gold, I guess you could say. Actually, there's some green right here and some yellow going into there. Pretty nice. This is my second Spyderco. Not much a Spyderco guy because I don't like plastic scales. And I don't like this big old hole, thumb hole. But I found this appealing. VG10 steel. And this one is made in Japan. Okay, here we go. We got another. There we go. A little liner on this side too. Let me shut the blade before I do that and cut myself. Let's see if I can get that out of there. There we go. Okay. Hopefully that shows up a little bit better. And of course it's got a lanyard hole too, although I don't think I'll ever use one unless I can find some cool Japanese pattern to make a lanyard out of. So, like I said, the reason I bought this is it just appealed to me. A little Japanese motif. I thought it was pretty cool. Looks real pretty. I like colors. And figured why not. So, hope you like it too. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.